Y'all, I want to talk to y'all today about these clip-ins that I have in my hair right now. Don't mind my voice, I'm sick, but anyway, I wanted to talk to y'all about these clip-ins that were sent to me by a new hair extension company called HerGivenHair, and they specialize in natural clip-ins and extensions. Okay, they come in clip-ins and wefts, but I got clip-ins because I don't know how to do a sew-in and I don't trust anybody in my hair. So I got the clip-ins. Now, fresh out the pack, the hair was super duper soft, and I had to co-wash it, of course. So I co-washed it with my favorite conditioner, and I let it air dry. The first time I tried to install them, I tried to do it on a fresh wash and go, and it just did not look right to me. So I let my hair air dry a couple of days, and then I installed them again, and that made such a huge difference because it looks a whole lot better than it looked as a fresh wash and go. I believe I should have let the hair dry itself and then let my hair dry instead of trying to do it all together. This hair, y'all, I love this hair. It mimics my natural hair so good. I'm gonna be trying to do a braid out twist. I'm gonna be trying to do some everything with this hair. I love this hair. They have an Instagram page. I'll go check them out on Instagram. They just opened up shop, I believe, because they've been doing a lot of testing with a lot of different vloggers and stuff to test out the hair and comment on the tangling and the shedding. As far as shedding, I didn't have a whole lot of shedding, which was surprising to me, but I did have some shedding, just a little bit. It wasn't too much. So as far as tangling, it hasn't really tangled yet. I've only, you know, had it in for like a day, but I'm going to be working out in it so I can see what it's like as far as when it gets sweaty. I think I'm even going to try to blow it out and then rewash it to see if the curl pattern still stays the same, and I'm going to be recording all of that and bringing all that to y'all. So yeah, this hair, it was like really shiny, really soft, and it's human hair. That makes it even more better. But yeah, I absolutely love this hair. I don't even know what else to say, but I love it. I love this hair. I really super duper love it. And this is my first time ever using clip-ins, my first time ever installing clip-ins, and I think I did a pretty good job, even though I still have to learn some new things, some new techniques. I'm gonna be scouring YouTube, trying to find different techniques and different things that I can do with this hair. I absolutely love it. Like, the timing couldn't even be even more perfect, because I've been sitting back drooling over, you know, clip-ins and even wigs that look like natural hair. So when they reached out to me, baby, I jumped on that. So yeah, I'm gonna be coming back to y'all though with another video, style video, and an update video as to how it's been going, like with shaving and tangling and styling and stuff like that. So yeah, I got 2 bundles, and both bundles were 18 inches. And at first when I washed it, it looked a little too long, but as it dried, I think it shrunk up a little bit. It wasn't as shrunken as it was when I first got it, when I opened the package, but it did shrink up some, which made it better for me, because I was wondering how in the world was I gonna blend my hair with 18 inches of hair. But it turned out pretty good, I believe. I love it.